In Excel, columns have width and rows have height. If you're looking to adjust the height dimension, you're setting row height. I'll show you how. Select the row you want to adjust by clicking on the row number on the left side of the worksheet. That's the gray area with the numbers. The entire row will highlight in a light color. To select multiple rows, click the first row number and drag down. Go to the Home tab in the ribbon, look for the Cells group on the right side, and click the Format button. A drop-down menu appears with cell size options. Click Row Height from the drop-down. This opens a dialog box with a text input field showing the current row height. Type in your desired height value. Row heights are measured in points. The default is 15. You can set anywhere from 0 to 409 points. 20 to 30 points works well for larger text, and 50 or more is good for multiple lines in a cell. Click OK at the bottom right of the dialog box. The dialog closes and your selected rows resize to the height you specified. One useful tip: if you need to set the same height for multiple rows, select all of them first using Shift or Control-click, then follow these same steps. The height will apply to all selected rows at once. You can verify the change by reopening the row height dialog. It will show the current value. That's all there is to it.